Now, based on these reactions, the fluorine can displace any halogen from their salt solution, and chlorine can displace any halide, any halogen from halide salt solution, other than fluorine. And with respect to bromine can displace only iodine from iodide salt. Now, based on this, there can be a small question which can come. Very interesting question. Let us see how to face that question. There can be a question very clearly that addition of chlorine to Ki solution gives a violet color, but excess of chlorine turns it colorless. What can be the idea behind this question? You have seen a slide of reactions. So understand that I minus is a stronger reducing agent because I2 is a weak oxidizing agent. Therefore, a strong reducing agent can undergo oxidation easily. Therefore, when you introduce an aqueous solution of chlorine, iodide ion, being a strong reducing agent, can reduce chlorine to chloride ion, and I minus, which is having a -1 charge, itself gets oxidized to iodine. Of course, a strong reducing agent can undergo oxidation easily. Now, balancing this, you will get violet color. The violet color is due to the presence of iodine, right? Now, when you add excess of chlorine, when we add excess of chlorine, what happens? The iodine formed in step 1 will react with excess of iodine in aqueous medium to form iodic acid and HCl. Calculate the change in the oxidation state. 5 minus 0, 5. So you will get 5 here, and 10 will come here, and iodic acid will be 2, balance hydrogen. So when you add excess of chlorine, what happens? Colorless iodic acid is formed.